Hello, language learners. Welcome to our reading and speaking practice video, where we'll explore different places in town through the simple question, where are you going? Get ready to improve your reading and speaking skills while embarking on a virtual journey to exciting destinations. Park. Where are you going? I'm going to the park. Park. Market. Where are you going? I'm going to the market. Market. Library. Where are you going? I'm going to the library. Beach. Where are you going? I'm going to the beach. Beach. Cinema. Where are you going? I'm going to the cinema. Cinema. Canteen. Where are you going? I'm going to the canteen. Canteen. Hospital. Where are you going? I'm going to the hospital. Hospital. Airport. Where are you going? I'm going to the airport. Airport. Coffee shop. Where are you going? I'm going to the coffee shop. Coffee shop. Pet shop. Where are you going? I'm going to the pet shop. Pet shop. School. Where are you going? I'm going to the school. School. Museum. Where are you going? I'm going to the museum. Museum. Concert. Where are you going? I'm going to the concert. Concert. Train station. Where are you going? I'm going to the train station. Train station. Post office. Where are you going? I'm going to the post office. Post office. Grocery shop. Where are you going? I'm going to the grocery shop. Grocery shop. Bakery. Where are you going? I'm going to the bakery. Bakery. Pharmacy. Where are you going? I'm going to the pharmacy. Pharmacy. Hotel. Where are you going? I'm going to the hotel. Hotel. Friend's house. Where are you going? I'm going to the friend's house. Friend's house. Soccer field. Where are you going? I'm going to the soccer field. Soccer field. Zoo. Where are you going? I'm going to the zoo. Zoo. Shopping mall. Where are you going? I'm going to the shopping mall. Shopping mall. Gym. Where are you going? I'm going to the gym. Gym. Thanks for joining me on this reading and speaking practice adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun language learning videos. Until next time, happy reading and speaking.
Watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.